Delima says, do MATIC, brother! Yes, sir, MATIC! Oh my god. Again, this is a gift. A gift for you, ladies and gentlemen. I think you're seeing what I'm seeing now. Even from a macro standpoint, right, you will eventually get the skills that I have. Eventually, I mean, you might, very likely you could, right? If you pay attention to what I'm doing and everything that I'm saying from macroeconomic, from a macro technical analysis standpoint, you'll be able to see it. So MATIC, okay, previously on MATIC, right, we were anticipating MATIC to do something like this, right? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, and then we collapse lower. That's why we have a 38 cents target. So if MATIC were to drop lower over here, right? Okay, let's do a replay. If MATIC were to drop over here, right? If it were to drop over here, then this whole thing will be a potential descending triangle. And we could be hitting lower, right? Descending triangles are bearish chart patterns. But eventually, we did not develop a... yes. Eventually, we did not develop a big mountain range because we did not head towards the flat support. There's a flat support over here. Are we truly out of the woods yet? No. We could still drop down from here, right? When only will we be considered to be truly out of the woods for MATIC, for downside? When we are clearly above the skinny pink line. And we have been marking around the skinny pink line. We've been marking around here, way back in November 2022. We went above it again in January. We came back down. And then now we are hitting the skinny pink line again. So the moment we break clearly above the skinny pink line, then that's great. That's it. We're out. And MATIC should be doing very, 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 very well, right? We're still not going to invalidate the 38 cents target yet. Because we haven't taken out the right shoulder, because this was a head and shoulders, right? So it's not official. Okay, wait, hang on. Have we? Oh, we have! Okay, we've already invalidated it. Oh, okay, I didn't realize. Nope. Okay, it's already invalidated. So we are shifting our perspective to a bullish stance for MATIC. And if you look very, very, very closely, again, this is a gift for you. If you look very, very closely, we're about to complete wave 5, right? If you look very closely, this is a wave 1, up for a 2, down for a 3, right? Up for a 4, we're about to complete wave 5. And this is a very clear resistance line that I think is about to break. Even when we break, right, I'm expecting MATIC to fly towards $9. We're only at, yeah, just 90 cents, sub 90 cents. So this will be a 10x in the back. So yeah, we're expecting MATIC to do very, 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 very well. And we are early days, right? Compared to, let's say, for example, Nakamoto Games, which we just saw. Nakamoto Games is like so far ahead, right? And MATIC is just in the beginning of the move. So MATIC is going to play catch up to all the other first movers. MATIC is what you would consider as a late bloomer. Yes, the keyword is late bloomers, right? So in crypto, you're gonna find a lot of first movers, second movers, third movers, and you're gonna find late bloomers as well. So that's why it's very important to secure your profits, rotate it in. Secure your profits, rotate it in. Only then can you fully capitalize on the opportunity of the coming bull run, right? I think we're already in the midst of it, but there's going to be some weird shenanigans along the way. So yeah, but the point is, I think MATIC is going to do very well, right? And we're about to complete a wave E. So if anything, entries should be at wave E. Okay, I should be saying things like that. The point is that if you do decide to take a trade on MATIC, right, it's very important to have a stop loss, just in case things go wrong. For MATIC, on a smaller time frame, right, I expect something like this. I'm not so sure what's going to happen over here. Are we going to get ascending? Are we going to get a falling channel? We could. Or are we going to get maybe an ABCD over here? Again, we're not entirely sure, but we are very, very close to completion. 0 to 100, I would say we are around 90%, 91 to 3%. And we're very, very close to breaking, in my opinion. 90-something%, I would say, right? So, yeah, I mean, if you were to ape in right now, right, as you watch this video, if you were to ape in, I would strongly encourage to put stop losses, because things can always go wrong, right? MATIC could always drop lower, but I don't think so. I think more likely than not, it's going to go higher. But again, as you are, deep into the bull run, right, you must have stop losses, because things can always go wrong, right? Always remember that. Anyway, if you were to make a move over here, if I were to make a move over here, right, my stop loss would be around this area. at the bottom of this. So I would not anticipate this low to be taken out. I mean, of course, once this channel is really big, and if I do have ambitions, right? So if once this channel is big, I cannot say things like this anymore because we'll also be hunting for our stop loss. So I can't be saying all these things. So I have to move in silence. We move in silence and we move in secret.